Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to update your Facebook cover photo without it appearing in your friends' news feeds. This is perfect if you want to refresh your profile without notifying everyone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook on your web browser or mobile app and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile page by clicking on your name or profile picture in the top navigation. Step 3. Hover over your current cover photo and click on Edit Cover Photo on browser or tap your cover photo and select Edit on mobile. Step 4. Choose Upload Photo to select a new cover image from your device. Step 5. After selecting your photo, adjust it as needed by dragging to reposition. When you're happy with it, click Save but don't click anything else yet. Step 6. Immediately after saving, click on the 3 dots next to your newly uploaded cover photo and select Hide from Profile Page. This ensures the cover photo change won't appear on your timeline or in your friends' news feeds. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook cover photo without it being announced to all your friends. Your profile looks fresh, but no one received a notification about the change. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.